Hi everyone. This is just a really quick overview of the self-evaluation assignment. And the true purpose of this assignment is to develop your future goals and your personal strategic plan on how you want to get to your ultimate outcomes as far as your goals for your career. So this is very purposeful, and this needs to be very specific to you and where you want to go as far as your role as a leader. So take this time to really do some introspection and examine what you want to work on as you move forward. So part of that is developing those SMART objectives, and just remember to use that structure as far as the SMART objectives and reflect back on some of the feedback that I gave you during when you wrote your goals and objectives for this particular practicum experience. So really looking at the structure of SMART objectives is very crucial, because that skill of writing those very measurable and defined objectives really will serve you well as you move forward and will set you apart from other nurse leaders in having that skill set of really actually the process of writing the SMART objectives is thinking through and have a very systematic plan in mind as far as what you're going to achieve and by when. And so that the wording of the SMART objective is very clear to everyone who's reading those objectives. So again, it's not just the writing the objective, it's about the thought that's behind writing that objective and how that objective actually communicates very specifically the direction. And that will help you as you're developing your 3 to 5 year strategic plan as well. So there is a purpose for those SMART objectives, even though sometimes they're a little clunky, and it does take some thought to really construct a very sound SMART objective. So I just want to really emphasize that, and that I'm not trying to torture you, but this is a very valuable skill that you will take forward with you as you practice as a leader. So, of course, we want to make sure that we follow the appropriate format. You will need to have a title page, basic APA format. It is okay to use first person as you're writing this particular document, and it's okay to have a timeline. Sometimes that's the clearest way to depict your trajectory. So the structure itself doesn't need to be in paragraph form. Some explanation is appropriate as far as putting some paragraph and some sentences together, but you can structure the outline, the format of your timeline or your specific objectives in bullet points or another way, whatever way is best to communicate what you want to or how you want to move forward with your development. So if you have any questions or concerns about doing this particular assignment, as always, let me know. I'll be happy to talk through doing the assignment with you. So I look forward to reading your self-evaluation and the direction that you want to go. Thank you so much.